Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best welding machine on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. Skort MIG 175 Welding Machine. The Skort MIG 175 is a versatile welding machine from Luidabe, designed for both DE enthusiasts and professional welders. It features smart device integration, allowing easy control and monitoring via smartphone or tablet. The machine is designed for MIG and MMA welding, with a welding thickness range of 0.3 to 4 mm. Its compact and lightweight design weighs just 3.5 kg and dimensions of 340,160,190. Making it easy to transport to different job sites. The Skort MIG 175 also features automatic wire feeding speed, ensuring consistent and smooth welds even for beginners. With a current output of 170 A and a power rating of 2.6 kW, it can handle both non-gas welding and carbon dioxide gas-shielded welding. The machine is C certified, ensuring quality and safety standards. It is compatible with both AC 220V and 110V input voltage, eliminating the need for additional adapters or converters. Overall, the Skort MIG 175 is a reliable and versatile choice for both DE and professional welders. Number 4. Plasmargen PLC55X Welding Machine. The Plasmargen PLC55X welding machine is a game-changer in plasma cutting, offering precision and reliability. It features cutting-edge inverter technology, IGBT, for consistent performance and reduced energy consumption. The machine's wide input voltage range, AV 110 to 220 plus or minus 15% V, makes it compatible with various power sources, saving time and effort. Its reliable duty cycle, ranging from 1 to 50 A, ensures it can handle demanding projects without overheating. The machine also has a power factor of 0.6, ensuring energy efficiency. It can cut through materials ranging from 1 mm to 12 mm, making it suitable for various applications. Its efficient air pressure control, 0.40.6 MPa, ensures optimal conditions for precise cuts. Number 3. Hitbox HBM 1200 Welding Machine. The Hitbox HBM 1200 Welding Machine by Shenzhen Unitweld Welding and Motor Company Limited is a compact and powerful welding machine that can handle various tasks with ease. Its compact size and sturdy stainless steel construction make it a perfect choice for both professional welders and DE enthusiasts. The machine is versatile, excelling in welding, cutting, and grinding, making it an all-in-one solution for various metalworking tasks. The Hitbox HBM 1200 operates with a voltage of 230 volts DC and produces minimal noise, emitting only 52 decibels during operation. Its 1.8-meter hose and cable length provide ample reach for projects. The one-way circuit design simplifies operation, and the included 1080p display allows for easy monitoring of settings and progress. This user-friendly interface is suitable for both beginners and experienced welders. The Hitbox HBM 1200 doesn't require batteries, reducing the hassle of constantly recharging or replacing them, allowing you to focus on your welding tasks without interruptions. Overall, the Hitbox HBM 1200 is a reliable choice for those seeking a versatile welding machine. Number 2. Skvogen HVT 250p Welding Machine. The Skvogen HVT 250p is a versatile welding machine that offers power, precision, and versatility. It operates on a rated input voltage of AC 220V, plus or minus 15%, at 50-60 Hz, making it adaptable to various power sources. The machine has dual functionality for TIG and MMA welding, with a rated output current and voltage of 200 A18V for precise welds and 180 A27.2V for more robust projects. Its wide amperage range allows for flexibility in adjusting to specific welding job requirements. The HVT 250p has a rated duty cycle of 60% and an efficiency rating of 85%, ensuring efficient use while minimizing power consumption. Its robust construction, with a protection class of IP21s, ensures durability in various work environments. The user-friendly design, including no-load voltage indicators, simplifies setup and operation, making it a reliable choice for both professional welders and DE enthusiasts. Number 1. Andeli MIG 270 TPL Welding Machine. The Andeli MiG 270 TPL welding machine is a reliable and efficient tool for welding enthusiasts and professionals. Its impressive specifications, including a weight of 21 kilograms and dimensions of 555,310,385 millimeters, ensure stability and portability. The machine's high wire feeding speed of 18 meters per minute allows for efficient and precise welding, making it suitable for a wide range of materials and applications. C-certified, the MiG 270 TPL meets rigorous safety and performance standards, ensuring peace of mind during welding. Originating from mainland China, this welding machine is known for its expertise in manufacturing welding equipment. With a no-load voltage of 62 V and an efficiency rating of 85%. It delivers power when needed and efficiently, reducing energy consumption, ensuring maximum performance in welding tasks. The Andeli MiG 270 TPL is a testament to its commitment to quality and its ability to meet stringent safety and performance standards. Its origin in mainland China, a region known for its craftsmanship and innovation in welding technology, further solidifies its reputation as a reliable and efficient tool. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.